Hey everyone, so it's my birthday weekend. Usually I don't do anything and I actually normally forget what day my birthday is. But since we got the Razor, I decided that we might organise a bit of a skid. Apparently it's the wrong weekend to do it because there's like all these weddings going on and people are busy and they've broken their trucks. Very inconsiderate time to break your truck. These things happen. So yeah, just doing some quick checks, just thought I'd double check my belt, make sure my rubber band's still intact, and as I was checking it, turned the clutch around a little bit and there's a rattle, so asked for some help and it could be broken, or something could be broken inside of it. So I raided the spares and that looks like that's been raided as well, but while it's apart, I'm going to try and make one good one out of two. I have no idea what I've got in here. It feels, I don't know, missing screws and too light, but it's all good. Wish me luck. Get this sorted and get up there and do some advanced maneuvers. With the price of petrol being above $3 a litre, might just use half throttle for the weekend. A little bit more affordable than a full send, but that's alright, we'll get there. Anyway, must fix this and get moving. Same guy, different place, different day. An awesome day yesterday out on the racetrack zooming around, and we camped out, packed up this morning, threw the Razor back on the trailer, and now we're at Auckland Off-Road Adventure Park. Just a casual day, just Shay and I, just going for a cruise. See if we can get stuck or something like that. Just an excuse to go wheeling for my birthday really, spend the whole weekend off-road. That's a good thing. So yeah, we're going to get into it. Rightio, so we've made it home after 2 days of wheeling. This thing took it like a champ. It's nice when it's dry because you don't have to clean much. It was actually a little bit filthy from being up on the racetrack because it rained, and managed to knock most of that off with all the rough bumps today. So it's good. As you guys will see from the video, I'm not shy to stick it in places it probably doesn't belong, and I just want to test the limits of what we can do with a side-by-side, because a lot of people don't get it or haven't seen them in action, or majority of people just kind of cruise around in them and have a little bit of fun. But I'm determined to use it as something that can go fast, and then something that can go wheel in stupid places. So far so good. A few more tweaks here and there. I've got to get in there and give the suspension a service at some point, but no, it's doing well. It's a good machine, and really need to clean it and park it in the shed and get back into tight squeeze, because I really want to get that out and enjoying a slower pace, I guess. Problem with these razors is they're so capable that you get bored and then you start doing stupid things, and that's when it gets expensive. So if we get tight squeeze done, then at least I can just go at a slow pace and enjoy myself. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the content. Appreciate it if you subscribe and share it around if you did. Leave us a comment below on what you think we should do next with the Razor, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't know when that is yet. Got to do some work, make some money, and then we'll go wheeling again. Catch you guys.